So the smallest
Yes.
five-digit number that can be formed by using 5, 6, 7, 8 is. So we want to make the smallest five-digit number. When we want to make a smallest five-digit number, we start with the smallest digit available. Okay, we start with the smallest digit. So the smallest digit is 3, and then we go slowly. Then we have 5. Okay, then we have 6, 7, 8. So 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 35,678. 35,678. This is one technique. Other than that, you can also look at this. 67,000. Then we have 35,000. 50,000 and 35,000. We can easily understand that there is a competition between B and D. D is larger
because
because
the other two are larger.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we can easily deduce that D is the correct answer. Easy question. Question number 20. So here we have the difference between the smallest 7-digit number and the largest 5-digit number. We have here smallest 7-digit number and largest 5-digit number. We have to find the difference. So what is the smallest 7-digit number? So if I ask you to find the smallest number, then you start with the smallest digit. But if you start with a 0, then it does not have any value. So what we have to do is we have to start with, we start with a 1 and then we give 6 zeros. So this is the smallest 7-digit number. And what is the largest 5-digit number? The largest 5-digit number, that should be equal to 9, 9, 9, 9. The question says we have to find the difference. That means we have to subtract. The question says we have to find the difference. We have to. So here this will be equal to, the answer will be equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0,
and 9.
Can you please can you please keep your audio mute, students? Can you please keep your audio mute? Yes. So what is the answer?
B.
The answer is this. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So this is your answer. The answer is number B, B for Bangladesh. Are we good, sir? Yeah. Once again, we have easy problem. Next. In all, there are dash 5-digit whole numbers in the number system. In all, there are dash 5-digit whole numbers in the number system. That means how many 5-digit numbers are there in the number system? How many 5-digit numbers are there in the number system? What is the lowest 5-digit number?
It's 10000.
Excuse me. What is the highest 5-digit whole number? 9999.
99,999.
90,000. And what is the lowest 5-digit whole number?
10,000.
10,000. So how many numbers are there in between?
8,000.
Yeah, give me the answer. 8,000.
90,000.
So you started with 8, but you look at the option and you figure out that there is no 8,000. We do a subtraction, students. We do a subtraction. The answer will be 89999. Am I right? We do a subtraction. We have to add 1. We have to add 1.
Oh, so it will be 900.
90,000.
The
90,000.
answer is going to be equal to.
So number C.
No, the answer is number A.
A.
The answer is number A for an apple. Sir, if I ask you from 11 to 20, how many numbers do I have? 11 to 20. If I subtract 20 minus 11, that is equal to 20 minus 11. The answer is 9. But if it's 11, thank you. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many numbers do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when we are subtracting, the process of subtracting only includes one of the boundary values. But here the question is such that we have to include both the boundary values. And that's why we have to add 1. And that's why we have to add 1. Can you follow me, students?
Sir, I didn't understand.
You did not understand this. What is your name? Ryan?
Yes, sir.
Ryan. From 11 to 15, how many numbers do I have from 11 to 15?
5 numbers.
If you subtract 15 minus 11, what do you get? 4. But how many numbers are actually from 11 to 15? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I'm trying to say here is, Ryan, when we are subtracting, the process of subtracting only includes one of the boundary values, does not include both the boundary values. But in this question, in questions like this, in questions like this, we have to add a 1 because subtraction procedure do not include both the boundary values. In this question, we have to add both the boundary values. Can you follow me now, students?
So this one we have to include both.
Both the boundary values. Yes, that is the question. That is the question.
I
Yes.
just found out something really fun about this question. So if they say how many one-digit numbers are there in all, we always get 9, right? We get 9.
Yes, the answer is 9.
How many two-digit numbers? We get 19. How many three-digit numbers are there? We get 900. So it increases by times 10.
Yes, that's a good idea. That's a good technique, Safwan. All right, students. All right, so let's proceed from here. 2 hands raised. There was another student. Rahesh, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Does that also mean that we...
Yes, Rahesh, I couldn't hear you. Repeat.
Sir, does that mean we can subtract the biggest 4 digits?
Yes, Rahesh, please again.
That is lagging.
Yes, Rahesh, once again.
Sir, does that mean that we can also subtract the biggest 4-digit number to find the answer?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's a good idea, sir. From 99999, you subtract, 99,999, you subtract 9,999. That's also a good idea. Very good. Number 22, sir. Yes, Irfan. We have time left. This meeting will end something around 9:35. 9:35, Irfan. So, students, question number 22. Question number 22. The sum of two numbers is 3174. If one of the number is twice the other number, what is the difference between those numbers? The sum of the two number is 3174. One of the number is twice the other number. What is the difference between those numbers? So here we are considering, let's say, the smaller number. we write here. So we write here. Yes. So we write here the smaller number. Let's say the smaller number is equal to a mango. Can I say that? Now the larger number. Now the larger number, that will be equal to 2 mango, right? Because the question says one of the number is twice the other. So if I consider the smaller number as a mango, the larger number is 2 mangoes. So in total, how many mangoes do I have? 1 mango plus 2 mango, that is equal to 3 mango. Okay, fine. Now students, the sum of the two number is 3174. Now students, can I say 3 mango is equal to 3174? If I add the two numbers, I should get 3 mango. 1 mango represent one number and 2 mangoes represent other numbers. If I add them up, that should be equal to 3 mangoes. So we can write 3 mangoes should be equal to 3174. Now students, if 3 mangoes is equal to 3174, 1 mango should not be equal to 3174. It should be less, and it should be 3 times less, isn't it? If 3 mangoes is equal to 3174, then 1 mango that will be equal to 3 times less. Okay, 3174 divided by 3. Let's do this division. 3174 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. We have 1 carried.
It's 1058. 1058.
So you can carry a 0, get this 7 down. 5 here, 15. We have a 2 and 4. Oh, so 1058. So what is 1 mango? 1 mango is equal to 1058. Now what is 2 mango? 2 mango, that should be equal to 2 into 1058, and that is equal to 2100. Can you help me with this? 2116.
2116.
Yes, yes, students. So one of the number is 1058 and the other number is 2116. We are not done yet. We are not done yet, because the question is, what is the difference between those numbers? The question is, what is the difference between those numbers? So difference means we have to subtract 2116 minus 1058. 2116 minus 1058. Can you help me with these, students?
It's going to be 1058.
So the answer is,
It's number A.
so the answer should be A for an apple.
Hey,
The answer should be A for an apple. So once again, this
sir,
was a
I
good.
didn't understand.
You did not understand. What is your name?
My
Umair. Okay, you want me to do this again? Okay, okay, Umair, let's do this again. Let us do this again. Erase all this. Let's erase all this stuff. Umair, you follow very carefully. Other students should also follow. But since Umair has raised hand, so I will ask Umair to follow very carefully. Okay, the question says one of the number is twice the other number. So can I say the smaller number is equal to an apple? Let's say the smaller number is equal to 1 apple. Can we say that, sir? No problem. What is the larger number? Umair, you tell me what is the larger number. The larger number will be equal to 2 apples. Am I right? Because the question says one of the number is twice the other number. So if the first number is 1 apple, the larger number is 2 apples. Can you follow me here? So now go to the question again. The sum of the two number is 3174. The sum of the two number is 31. The sum of the two number is 3174. So here we have 1 apple and here we have 2 apples. If I add this, the answer will be equal to 3174. Can you agree with me? Now 1 apple plus 2 apples, that is equal to 3 apples. So we understand that 3 apples is equal to 3174. Okay. So if 3 apple is equal to 3174, Let us find the value of one apple. Now the value of one apple should be less, and it should be 3 times less. Should be 3 times less. So 3174, 3 times you divide it, the answer will be 1058. Umair, can you follow me up to this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one apple is equal to 1000. Oh, so one of the number is 1058. The other number is equal to 2 apples. Okay, see, if one apple is equal to 1058, 2 apples will be equal to 2 times 1058, right? And if you multiply it by 2, the answer is 2116. So we understand that one of the number is 2116 and the other number is 1058. Now the question says, what is the difference between those numbers? What is the difference? Difference we have to subtract. So 2116, we subtract it by 1058, the answer will be equal to 1058. Okay, students, can you follow me up to this?
Yes.
Okay. Now, sir. Now I want you to look at question number 23. Look at question number 23. Okay. I'll help you, but first I want you to. So I can see that students are giving me now answers. Tough one has given me some answer. Okay, let's try it. Jane ordered 2 pizzas, 2 burgers, 4 sodas, and 5 boxes of fries. She must have a party at her home. If the cost of 1 pizza, 1 burger, 1 soda, and 1 box of fries is 10, 21, 14, 16 respectively, then what is the total, Jane? Okay, so here we understand that 2 pizzas, the cost of 1 pizza is 10. So 2 times 10, and then plus 2 burgers. The cost of 1 burger is 21. 2 times 21 plus, then we have 4 sodas. 1 soda is equal to $14. So 4 times 14 plus 5 boxes of fries. So 5 times 16. This is 20. This is 42. This is 56. And this is 80. So 80 plus 20, that is equal to 190, 98. So have the answer 198. Right, students? You gotta be quick. You gotta be quick for this kind of easy question. This is a very easy question, and you have to be very quick while we are doing this problem. Okay. So I can see that we started with some difficult problems, but now we are having easy problems, isn't it? It's getting a little easier.
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, I can repeat. This is the easy question. So Jane ordered 6 pizzas, 2 burgers, 4 sodas, 5 boxes of fries. The cost of 1 pizza, 1 burger, 1 soda, 1 box of fries is given 10. So this is the cost of pizza. This is the cost of burger. This is the cost of soda, and this is the cost of fries. So how many pizza do I have? 2. 1 pizza costs 10. So 2 multiplied by 10. How many burgers do I have? 2. 1 burger is equal to 21. So 2 into 21. 4 sodas. 1 soda is equal to 14. 4 sodas will be equal to 4 times 14. Then we have 5 boxes of fries. 1 box of fries is equal to 16. 5 box will be 5 into 16. So let's do this. 2 multiplied by 10, 20. 2 multiplied by 21, 42. 4 multiplied by 14, 56. 5 multiplied by 16, that is equal to 80. If we add this up, we're going to get 198. So the answer will be 198. So she pays $198. So this is how we do question number 23. So now, question number 24. Question number 24. Oh, this is a good question. This
How
is
many
a good.
triangles are there?
How many triangles are there in the given figure? This is a good question. All right, sir. So I can see this is one triangle.
Four.
I think it
One
should be
triangle.
7. It should be 7.
One triangle. Follow me, please follow me. Silence.
It's
So,
Six.
Oye,
It's
give your-
seven, it's seven, yeah,
Eight.
it's seven.
Eight.
Seven.
It's 8.
How is it?
Please keep yourself mute. Write your answer in the text box. Write your answer in the chat box. Do not talk. So I see one triangle here. Then we have a second triangle here. And then we have 1, 2. Okay, so this is another triangle 3. This is triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3, triangle 4. So these are the smaller triangles. These are the smaller triangles. So we have 4 here. Now, remember these 4. Now, 4, I can go for 5 triangles here. This is another one. 6 triangles. So far, I have got 6 triangles. Remember this. 6 triangles. Now here I can make another one, 7. Oh, this is already done. I can make this one, 7. Am I right? 7. Students, am I right up to this?
There one more.
Yeah, there is one
So we
more.
have
right
one
now.
more.
There are 8.
The right right one. It should be 7, I think. Or 8. 8. 8.
It's 8.
So you already did.
7.
It's 7.
The triangle in the right.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, sir. We're going to have 8. Okay, let me do it again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Any problem with this 4? Okay. Now,
No.
let's repeat this diagram. Let me draw this triangle again, so it will be easier. So we have 4 here. Now, 4 triangles, 4 small triangles. Achha. So 5 triangles. 5th triangle. Any problem with the 5th triangle? Achha. Let me show you the 6th triangle. So this is your 5th triangle. So this can be your 6th triangle. This can be your 6th triangle. Are we good? Okay. Now let me show you the 7th triangle. This is your 7th triangle. This is your 7th triangle. Now let me show you one more triangle. That is the 8th triangle. Check this. Age data. Can you follow me here?
Already A.
So the answer should be equal to D. Now you cannot have 9 triangles. So can we have 9 triangles? No, we cannot. You can try it, but you cannot have the 9th triangle. Can you follow me, students? So we're going to have 8 triangles here. How many triangles are there in a given figure? These are the 8 triangles. If you can find 9 triangles, then you can show it to me tomorrow. Okay? I can find 9 triangles. I think 8 is the correct answer. Okay, 8, 8, 8. Next problem. Question number 25.
Zero.
Now,
That's so easy.
Zero edges.
2.
a
It's
cylinder
2.
has dash edges. How many edges does it have?
Zero.
What is the meaning? What is the meaning of edge, student? What is the meaning of edge? Edge means when, please. Edge means when two surfaces meet together. I have a paper here. This paper, let's.
Isn't it 2? Right?
2, sir.
Please follow me here.
Two.
When two surface mix, when two surface matches, we have one edge. So here you see, we have one edge. And we have another edge at the bottom. So the answer will be equal to 2 edges. 2 edges. There are 3 surfaces and there are 2 edges. Can you follow me here? There are 3 surfaces and it should be 2 edges. All right, students.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
isn't it supposed to be 2 faces, not edges?
No, how many face do I have here? You have here one face here, one bottom face, and there you have another face surrounding here. So that should be equal to. Yes, again, Numair, Namir. Yeah, we're going to have 2 edges, students. Edge means where the surfaces meet. One surface meeting another surface. This line is called the edge. This line is called the edge. So we're going to have 2 edges here. Next, question number 26. A teacher gave a rectangular coloring sheet to each of his students. The sheet is 15 centimeter long and 8 centimeter wide. The sheet is 15 centimeter long and 8 centimeter wide. Gave a rectangular coloring sheet to each other. The sheet is 15 centimeter long. The area and perimeter of the sheet is this and this. As students, how do we find the area and perimeter for a rectangle? Now, this is the rectangle.
You just need to
This is the rectangle. Please, students, follow me. No talking. The area of a rectangle. Rectangle has length. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So this is the length 15. This is the length 15. And the other 2 sides, the shorter sides, are called the width. And the width is 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter. How do we find the area? To find the area, this is what we do. We multiply length into width. The length is given 15 and the width is given 8. 15 into 8, that is equal to 120 centimeters square. Please understand the unit of the area is always square. Please understand that the unit of the area is always square. It can be centimeter square, it can be meter square, it can be kilometer square, so on and so forth. Now, how do we find the perimeter? I talked about this.
All the sides.
We add all the sides.
Yeah.
both sides.
So that
Sir,
is
the answer
15
is
plus
C.
15, 18 plus 8
46.
plus 8. So that is 30 plus 16, 46. So this is
46.
equal
It's
to
number C.
46.
Number
centimeters.
Number
C.
C.
It's
Number
So the
C.
area is 120 and the perimeter is 46. 120 and 46. The correct answer is C. C for a cat. Okay. C for a cat. Okay, now students, we have 7 minutes left of this meeting time. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to repeat some of the problems that we did in the last class. There were some students who gave me some problems. Okay. Zion gave me some problems I can recall. It was in the last meeting. 6, 7, something like 6, 7, 8, and 9 and 10. Okay, someone is asking when will the class end? This meeting will end in 7 minutes. This meeting will end at 7 minutes. Our scheduled time is 9:45, but let me finish this first. Okay, so I'm going to do some of the problems that we did in the last class. Okay, so question number 3. Question number 3. Some students are struggling with question number 3
Sir?
here. Yes, sir.
You told we will do number 8 today.
I said
the
I'll
last-
do.
Like
I need
we'll
to-
do
Sir.
like that one. We'll do other class.
Yeah, I think I need to get a 3D diagram, but I'm not finding a 3D diagram, suitable 3D diagram. So I think I will take another day. In the next class, give me a reminder and hopefully I will show you, okay, for number 8. Okay, so let's do question number 7. Is it 7? Yeah, let's do question number 7. The question says, our train leaves from station A. Those who have problem, please try to follow this. A train leaves from station A with 280 km per hour. After 2 hours, another train leaves from station B with 300 km per hour. So when I say 280 km per hour, it means in 1 hour, the train travels 280 km. Now, train A has traveled for 3 hours. They meet each other in 3 hours after the first train leaving. So in 3 hours, train A has covered 280 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 840 kilometers. So train A has traveled, let's say this is the meeting point. So train A has traveled 840 kilometers. Train A has traveled 840 kilometers. What about train B? Please read the question carefully. After 2 hours, another train leaves from the station B and it meets 3 hours. So what is the journey time for train B? The journey time for train B is 1 hour. Please understand that the journey time for train B is 1 hour because train B was late. And in 1 hour, train B has traveled 300 kilometers. So let's put a 300 kilometers here. Now the question is, what is the distance between the two stations? The distance between the two stations should be 840 plus 300, which is equal to 1140 kilometers. The distance between the two stations should be 1140 kilometers. 1140 kilometers. And the correct answer is, D for Dhaka. The answer is D for Dhaka. Okay. I didn't do number 8. We'll do number 8 later on.
20. Number 8 is 20.
Yeah. Number 6, students. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. 9A7B is the 4-digit number that is divisible by 10. Students, please understand that 50 is divisible by 10. 60 is divisible by 10. Any number in the world that ends with a 0, 1, 2, 7, 7, 4, 5, 6, 9, if it ends with a 0, it will be divisible by 10. So if the question says 9A7B is a 4-digit number that is divisible by 10, that means B must be equal to 0. The number must end with a 0. Can you follow me, students, here? Now, what is the highest value of A plus B? I want to find the highest value of A plus B. If I want to find the highest value of A plus B, the value of B is already 0. What can I do with A? I can make A as large as possible. Let's say A equals to 9. So 9 plus 0, that is equal to 9. The highest value of A plus B is equal to 9. So the correct answer is B, which is equal to 9. So this is how you do question number 8. Question number 6. Is there anyone who still didn't understand question number 6? Is there anyone who still didn't understand question number 6? Okay, next we have a problem here. Question. Me? What is your name?
Ayman.
Ayman? You still didn't understand question number 6. Okay, one more time. One more time. Follow me here, sir. Follow me here. Question says that 9A7B is a 4-digit number that is divisible by 10. Is 55 divisible by 10? No. Is 60 divisible by 10? Yes. Is 1770 divisible by 10? Yes. Is 1764 divisible by 10? No. A number is divisible by 10 only when the number ends with a 0. Therefore, we understand the value of B must be equal to 0 because the question says this is divisible by 10. So B must be equal to 0. Now we have to find the highest value of A plus B. So A plus B, you want to add two numbers and you want to get highest value. So what you have to do here is you have to find the highest values of A's and B's. B is already given 0. B is already, we have deduced that B is equal to 0. What about A? A can be any number. Let's say A is equal to 9. So 9 plus 0, that is equal to 9. So the highest value of A plus B is equal to 9. Ayman, can you follow me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now we go to jump on to question number 9. Now we jump to question number 9. Now, question number 9 says 4 students planted. 4 students planted. Yes, question number 8 students. I will talk about it another day. I need to find a 3D diagram to talk about question number 8. I haven't found a suitable diagram yet, so we are going to talk about it in the next class.